Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best USB-C laptop chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the 130-watt USB-C laptop charger by Yersipway. This charger is built for power users, offering a massive 130-watt output that can handle heavy-duty laptops like the Dell XPS 15 and 17 series, as well as precision and latitude models. With an input voltage of 100 to 240 volts and a 6.5 amperage, it's a beast when it comes to delivering fast and reliable charging. The lightweight design ensures it's portable despite its high output. In terms of design, the charger is compact and sleek, measuring just 5.6 times 2.67 times 0.9 inches. The build quality is solid, with short circuit and over-voltage protection that ensures safety during use. However, at 14.4 ounces, it's slightly heavier compared to other options on this list. Performance-wise, users have praised its ability to charge large laptops quickly and efficiently, even under demanding workloads. That said, its niche focus on high-wattage laptops means it's not as versatile for smaller devices. The Yersipway 130-watt charger is ideal for professionals and gamers who need a powerful and reliable charging solution for their high-performance laptops. However, the higher price point and bulkier design may deter casual users or those with lower power needs. Pros include its high wattage, robust safety features, and compatibility with Dell's premium lineup. Cons are its limited versatility for smaller devices and slightly heavier build. At number 4, we have the Dzinci 65-watt USB-C charger. This charger is designed with versatility in mind, compatible with a wide range of Lenovo devices, including ThinkPads, Yogas, and Chromebooks. It delivers a steady output of 65 watts, with multiple safety mechanisms such as overvoltage and overcurrent protection. This makes it a reliable choice for everyday users who prioritize safety and efficiency. The design is compact and functional, with a 10-foot cable that provides excellent range for flexible charging. Weighing 9.6 ounces, it's lighter than the Yersipway WE option, but still durable. The build quality is commendable, though the plastic finish might feel less premium compared to higher-end chargers. In terms of performance, it excels at fast charging for Lenovo laptops, but it lacks the universal compatibility to charge devices from other brands effectively. The Dzinci charger is best suited for Lenovo users who want an affordable, reliable solution for their laptops. It's perfect for students and professionals who need a portable option without sacrificing safety. Pros include its long cable, comprehensive safety features, and Lenovo-specific compatibility. Cons are its limited functionality for non-Lenovo devices and a less premium design. Coming in at number 3, we have the Superer USB-C fast charger. What sets this charger apart is its UL safety certification, which guarantees top-notch safety standards. It's compatible with a wide range of Lenovo laptops, including ThinkPads, Yogas, and Chromebooks, delivering up to 65 watts of power with fast-charging PD 3.0 technology. This ensures not only quick but also efficient charging for your devices. The design is sleek and lightweight, weighing 13.1 ounces, with a charging indicator that adds a convenient visual element. The 10-foot power cord offers great flexibility, making it perfect for use in offices, classrooms, or on the go. Performance-wise, the Superer charger stands out for its speed and reliability, and its compatibility extends beyond laptops to tablets and smartphones. However, its niche focus on Lenovo devices may limit its appeal for users with multi-brand setups. This charger is ideal for Lenovo users who value certified safety and high-speed charging. It's a great choice for professionals or students who need a dependable charger for work and study. Pros include its UL certification, fast charging, and long cord. Cons are its slightly higher weight and Lenovo-specific compatibility. At number 2, we have the Dexcez DY 65-watt replacement charger for Lenovo laptops. This charger offers flawless compatibility with a wide range of Lenovo devices, including ThinkPads, Yogas, and Chromebooks. It's designed for both 65-watt and 45-watt power needs, making it a versatile option for users with multiple devices. The fast charging feature ensures your laptop stays powered up whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. The design is straightforward yet functional, with a robust build quality that ensures durability over time. At 11.7 ounces, it's lightweight and portable. The charger includes built-in safety mechanisms to prevent overcharging and overheating, which adds to its reliability. Customer reviews highlight its efficient charging and solid construction, though it may lack some of the premium design elements found in more expensive options. This charger is perfect for Lenovo users seeking an affordable, high-quality replacement for their original power adapter. It's a great fit for students, remote workers, and everyday users. Pros include its wide compatibility, fast charging, and lightweight design. Cons are its Lenovo-specific focus and lack of advanced features like a charging indicator. Finally, at number 1, we have the GKLSPL 65-watt USB-C laptop charger. This charger stands out for its universal compatibility, working seamlessly with Dell, Lenovo, HP, and Chromebook laptops. With multiple output options, including 65-watt and 45-watt, it's versatile enough to meet the needs of a wide range of devices. The short-circuit protection ensures safe and reliable charging, making it an excellent all-around choice. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 4.6 ounces, which is the lightest on this list. The build quality is impressive, with a durable finish that resists wear and tear. Performance-wise, the GKLSPL charger delivers efficient and consistent power, with fast charging capabilities that keep your devices ready to go. Its universal compatibility makes it a great option for users who own devices from multiple brands. This charger is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight, and versatile charging solution. Whether you're a student, professional, or traveler, the GKLSPL charger has you covered. Pros include its universal compatibility, lightweight design, and robust safety features. The only con is that it lacks some of the advanced features, like a charging indicator, found in other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.